Hello, hello, hello. Happy Tuesday. Anyway, so yesterday, this is for all the parents out here. Yesterday, is back to school. My baby, first day back at school. He's in the 4th grade now. He told me he had an amazing day. It was perfect. He liked his teacher. He met some new friends and stuff. Love that. He had homework. So me and my son was doing homework together. And I was going to read it out, like some problems. So he's like, no, Mom, I can read it. And I'm like, okay, baby. So he read the problems, and a couple problems had big words. And he was able to pronounce those words. And I was just so proud because my baby used to struggle with reading. In the 2nd grade, his reading was low. Like, it was just hard for him to do reading. Like, he struggled with reading. So his teacher was like, oh, well, we can pull him out of class, spend some extra time with him. He's just not catching on. You know how teachers are taught how to teach one way to all our children, but all our kids learn differently. Every kid learns differently, and that's how my son was. So I'm old school, 33 but old school. So I talked to his dad. I'm like, hey, we doing Hooked on Phonics. And he's like, okay, cool. So we did Hooked on Phonics. Every 2 weeks we was getting books and stuff, activities sent home to us, and then we had it on his iPad. So every night before we go to bed, me and my son would read for 20 minutes, and then when he was with his dad would do the same thing, and we'd do the activities or whatever. So he had conference, and she was like, okay, this is where your child started, and this is where he's at. And when I seen that score, my baby started right here. He didn't get up here. 90 percentile, I started crying because they were trying to say, like, my baby wasn't comprehending. And no, every child learns differently. And just to see that my baby passed the state test last year on his first try in the 3rd grade, he passed with a high score, and he's in the 4th grade reading at 5th grade level. Like, his test scores, they were saying he was at 5th grade level last year. So any parent that has kids that's struggling in any subjects, I would say try Hooked on Phonics. Don't let these teachers try to shrink your children, because every kid learns freaking differently. So praying for coverage over our babies in these schools. God protect our babies, cover them from harm and danger, and keep them focused throughout the school year, in the school buildings, on the bus, walking to and from school. Protect our babies. And do not, I repeat, do not let these teachers who are only taught how to teach one way try to shrink our children, because it's other resources out here to help our babies. And my baby is thriving, and I know he's going to have a great 4th grade year. I wish he stopped growing because he wears size 6 in shoes. But anyways, that's another story. Yes, I'm just a proud mother. I feel like your kids are a reflection of you, which they are. And I talk to my baby like, yes, you are in an older grade now, a higher grade, and whatever you have challenges with, ask the teacher. It doesn't matter. Don't be scared. Don't be nervous. Ask the teacher whatever you need help with, and you ask until you understand. And if you don't understand, they're not helping you, you come tell us, and we're going to help you get through it. Mommy is in school as well, and I have challenging subjects that I don't understand, but I ask, so it's okay. You know, that's the thing. Our kids are peer pressure so much, so I have to let my baby know, like, it's okay. And I love that he's in tune with his emotions and feelings. Like, he's like, Mom, we gotta do our affirmations. My baby know about affirmations at 9 years old. He pour into himself, and I pour into him too. So happy Tuesday, you guys, and let's keep our children covered. Hug them tight, because the world is not the same. It's not like